Good morning again. This is the second part of my explanation, and here in the second part let us learn more about the living things. So the first point here is living things breathe. As I have told you in the first part that the living things, they need air to breathe. Without breathing they cannot remain alive. If the living things will not breathe, then they are going to die. So we are the human beings. We have lungs here in this part of our body, and we are breathing. Breathing means what? We are taking the oxygen like this. Then again we are throwing it out. So do you know, my dear students, when we are breathing in, then oxygen is going inside our body this way. And when we are breathing out, then carbon dioxide comes out of your body. So this the process you will come to know in the higher classes, how this oxygen is transforming to carbon dioxide. But for the time being you should know that we are breathing in oxygen and carbon dioxide is coming out of our body. So humans and animals also, they have lungs in their body and they are breathing with the help of their lungs. And the next one I am going to say you about fish. See, the fish, they are also living beings and they also have to breathe. So here I am showing you one picture of a fish. You can see it clearly. See, this is the fish. The fish, they are breathing with the help of gills. In this part, here in this part, they have gills, and these gills help them to take the air inside their body and again throw it out. The next one is I am going to say about the ant. Ant is also a living being. You can see in the picture, this is the ant. This is the ant, and the ant, they have holes in their body. They have small holes in their body and they can breathe with the help of their holes. Okay. The next one, you know, plants are also living beings. They also need air to live. So how the plants are breathing? The plants breathe with their leaves. I am showing you. See this picture. This is a leaf. You cannot see here holes, but this leaf is heavy.